If you want to learn how to bevel edges in SketchUp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method using the Follow Me tool so you can create a clean beveled edge on your model. This is a really useful technique when you want to soften sharp corners, improve the look of a model, or add more realistic detail to your designs. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy SketchUp tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. To bevel an edge in SketchUp, the first thing you need to understand is that this method works by using a small shape as your bevel profile. In this case, we're going to draw a small triangle that represents the bevel. This triangle needs to sit perpendicular to the edge you want to bevel because SketchUp will use that shape to generate the rounded or angled detail along the path. So, start by selecting the area of your model where you want the bevel to appear. Then use the line tool to draw a small triangle right at the corner or edge you want to modify. Keep it simple and make sure it's the exact shape you want the bevel to follow. The size of the triangle will determine how large the bevel looks, so if you want a subtle bevel, make the triangle small. If you want a more visible bevel, increase the size a bit. Once your triangle is drawn, the next step is to select the path. In SketchUp, the path is made up of the edges that define the shape you want the bevel to travel along. Click on the edges of your object that you want to bevel. If you're working on a simple shape, this might just be one edge. If you're working on a larger object, it could be several connected edges. After the path is selected, choose the Follow Me tool from the toolbar. This tool is what allows SketchUp to sweep a profile shape along a selected path. With the Follow Me tool active, click on the triangle profile you created. SketchUp will automatically push that shape along the selected edges and create the bevel effect. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see the edge transformed with a beveled appearance. This method gives you a nice manual way to create bevels, especially when you need control over the exact shape of the edge. Just keep in mind that if you need to bevel many edges, this process can take a little more time because each path may need to be handled separately. A helpful tip is to work carefully with your triangle placement before using Follow Me. If the triangle is not aligned correctly, the bevel may not come out cleanly. Also, make sure the geometry is connected properly so SketchUp can follow the path without errors. If your bevel doesn't look right the first time, undo it, adjust the profile, and try again. In SketchUp, small changes to the profile can make a big difference in the final result. So, to recap, beveling edges in SketchUp with Follow Me is all about 3 simple steps. First, draw a small triangle as your bevel profile. Second, select the edge path of the object. Third, use the Follow Me tool and click the triangle profile to generate the bevel. That's the basic workflow, and once you understand it, you can use the same technique on all kinds of models. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next SketchUp guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.